my gloves got torn. You see my gloves? They got torn.
Hey bro, what happened?
Bro, my gloves got torn, bro.
What? Tone.
Yeah.
Just the leather came out. For such a small thing you started crying?
Yes, bro. My favorite gloves. I've
Oh.
been using since 2+ years, bro.
Yeah, you used it on racetrack, you did touring, you used it in Ladakh, and you used it in the rain also.
I know, I've used them quite a bit, but they got torn, bro.
Just a small leather came out. Okay, however, we'll upgrade to new gloves.
You'll buy new gloves?
Yes, chalo.
See, we need some reason to buy new gloves. These gloves are not really torn. Just this happened. My friend is going to show them to you.
Just this leather kind came out.
But I need a reason to buy new gloves. And that is what I'm going to be doing now. From my favorite brand. Because this set of gloves has lasted me more than 2 years. I use them in Ladakh, I use them for touring, for commuting on racetrack. I soaked them in water, I made them crazy, but they still lasted very, very well. Whoa,
Oh,
you're back?
yeah.
Where to go, bro?
To get the gloves. Last one, but I bought so many.
You got so many gloves for me?
Yeah.
Wow! Multicolored short gloves. White full gauntlet gloves. Red and sexy full gauntlet gloves.
Black.
Awesome black full gauntlet gloves. So Sid, what all colors do we have?
Red, black, white, India color.
This India color? Oh, Sid is saying this looks like India flag color. So buddies, now I need your advice. Which color should I buy? These are all brand new gloves from Biking Brotherhood. These are new design. I'll put close photographs of them so that you can take a look at them at the end of this video. They are in the cover right now. These are the latest generation gloves, and let me open up one for you. My favorite color, red color. You let me know which color I should buy.
Blue. Orange.
Here we go. Take a look at this. Let me put this on. Here we go. I have put on this glove, and doesn't this look absolutely awesome? Check this out. It's got carbon fiber knuckle protectors, and this is made out of one of the best grade leather that you can imagine. And this glove can take falls at even 150 or 200 kilometers an hour, and if you put your hand down during a fall, you can still save your palm and your hand. And this being a full gauntlet glove, even your wrist gets saved. Yes, baby. This is the name, baby. Biking Brotherhood, BBG. You ride, we protect. So guys, these gloves are not very cheap. These gloves cost about 4,500 rupees. And the reason is that quality doesn't always come cheap, because a lot of research and development has been invested into making these gloves, and this leather is not cheap either. That is why this set of gloves costs 4,500 rupees. But I can guarantee this to you. I have the previous generation gloves which are inferior to this set of gloves, but even they are just going on. They are lasting forever and ever. These what I'm speaking about. You see the difference between this and this?
3 red color.
So if you buy this set of gloves, this is going to last you for a very, very long time, even 5 years or beyond. Many people often are very concerned about wearing leather gloves because they think that your hand would become very hot and your palm would start sweating if you wear leather gloves. But these gloves have ventilation system. If you take a look at these are vents, and when you are riding in this position, air would go into these vents and it would cool down your hand when you are riding. And you also have semi gauntlet gloves here in case you don't wish to buy full gauntlet gloves, because in case you want gloves for commuting, for city purpose, where you're going to take out the gloves multiple times, then these gloves would be a good option for you. And these cost much lesser than these.
My new gloves.
Sid's new gloves. And another very important point that I would like to mention about these gloves is that you see here on the palm area there are two plastic sliders. Now you would think sliders on the palm of a glove? Yes, you have these because in case of a crash, in case of an accident, we end up putting our palm to the ground. If that happens, then these two plastic pieces would slide and they would not hurt your skin inside. So these are known as palm sliders. And also the palm area here has double stitching and it has double layer of leather. So this means the protection is really high, even for very high speed falls. So that is it, buddies. It's a very short and simple video to introduce the new gloves in the market, and you let me know which color I should buy and I will buy that color. Thank you. You can buy these gloves on bikingbrotherhood.com. Bye bye.